Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. What is your name?
My name is David. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
It's a nice day.
Yes, very nice. The sun is not too hot.
Do you come here every morning?
Not every day. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
I try to come every morning. I like the fresh air.
Yes, it feels good. The park is quiet in the morning.
Do you walk here?
Yes, I walk. It takes 10 minutes.
That's nice. I live close too.
Do you walk alone?
Yes, I like walking alone. It helps me think.
That's good. Sometimes I bring music.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
I like slow music. It helps me relax. You?
I like soft music and sometimes pop music.
Nice. Do you listen to music when you work?
Yes, when I work from home. It helps me focus.
What do you do?
I design pictures for websites and posters.
That sounds fun. I work in an office.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's okay. I like my team.
That's good. Working with nice people is important.
Yes, I agree.
Do you have plans for today?
Not really. Maybe go to the grocery store later.
I need to go shopping too. I need some fruit.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas. You?
I like bananas and oranges.
Oranges are nice. I like orange juice.
Me too. Cold juice on a warm day is perfect.
Yes! Do you want to get juice later?
Sure, that sounds good.
Great. Let's meet here again at 3 p.m.?
Okay, I will be here.
All right. I need to go now. See you later.
See you, Anna. Have a good day.
You too, David. Bye.